Hi, this is Rukaya. I'm pursuing MBA from Noida International University, and I'm happy to announce that I got placed in chipboard industry with the annual package of 10 LPA. It felt like a perfect validation of my 2 years of NIU. It was truly my dream job, one that needed strategic thinking and practical market thinking. The mentorship and guidance at NIU made a huge difference. It's not just about learning theory, it's about learning how to think like a business leader. So when Shibboleth interviewers asked tough questions like supply chain management and financial modeling, but I was confident and happy because NIU already prepared me for that.
Happy to share that I have successfully been selected at Hexaview Technologies with the annual package of 9 LPA.